Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. Today we are talking turkey. Chef Bridget and I are going to team up on this. So let's get started, right, Bridget?
Absolutely.
So the first thing we want to do is make our brine. Now, a brine can be as simple as a little bit of water and salt, or we can add all kinds of other flavorings to it as well. Got some salt here.
All right.
And this is filled with a little warm water right now to help all these things melt and make sure they're all together. And of course, we're using some Florida honey. We've got a mix of peppercorns here. Some fresh herbs. And then for ours, we want to add some fresh Florida citrus because it is delicious and it's going to give some great flavor. So I'm just going to cut up these and we can squeeze these right in.
Cool thing about a brine is everything goes in.
Now we do want to make sure that the bird is completely covered. So we have ice going back on the top because everything has to stay 40 degrees or under.
All right, we have taken our turkey out of the brine and let's talk some food safety real quick. Make sure anytime you are working with poultry, whether it's chicken or turkey, make sure you're washing your hands before and after touching the poultry. This is a really important tip. You want your turkey to be completely dry on the outside and on the inside as much as you can, but definitely on the outside because it's gonna give something the butter to stick to, it's gonna brown better. We're gonna go ahead and season the turkey with just salt and pepper. That's all I use, salt and pepper. And now let's go ahead and talk about compound butter real quick. Compound butter, all it is butter with something added to it, whatever you wanna add to it. I have lemon zest, lemon juice, some herbs in here. I think there's rosemary and thyme and sage. Whatever you want though is absolutely perfect. So Chef Justin is going to liberally use some butter and he's gonna go underneath the skin, all over the turkey breast. It is gonna be absolutely fantastic. And make sure also your oven is preheated to 325 degrees or whatever your turkey package says. And it is going in according to the directions.
Okay, our turkey has been in the oven for approximately an hour now, and let me tell you, it smells delicious in here. So Bridget's gonna go ahead and pull it out of the oven because we wanna go ahead and baste it. Now, when we are basting, we wanna go ahead and remove the turkey completely from the oven. This way we don't lose a lot of temperature in an oven. So our turkey is out of the oven. We have all these amazing fresh from Florida sides. And look, if you don't have these sides, Bridget, where can you go to find them?
Follow freshfromflorida.com.
That's right, all this wonderful stuff. Our turkey was brined. We made a wonderful herb butter for it. It smells delicious. I can't wait to get into it. So we just want to thank everybody. Make sure to go to follow freshfromflorida.com and check out all these amazing recipes.
And have a safe and happy holiday.
If you like this recipe, head on over to our website where you can sign up for the Fresh from Florida Club.